I went to Portland for Easter. A 6 hour drive to get there, 5 to 6 hours. Now we left Thursday, which is basically this time last week. Thursday we got back Sunday night. I went there for Easter, visit my girlfriend's mum and brother. So basically, we was on the road. Thursday we got KFC. All right, now let me explain. I actually made it fit into my calorie intake. All right, my calories are roughly 2,400. I made it fit. I was over my fat. You probably expect that. It's KFC, right? But I was under my carbs. All right. So total calories, the same. I actually weighed myself at their house. My weight, the scale a little bit off. It was like 79.9 the whole time. So I didn't gain any weight there because I still tracked my calories. In fact, I was fucking starving. I'm not sure what it was, but I was hungry the whole time. Maybe because I was eating calorie-dense foods. Now, that was Thursday. Friday, pretty much my normal foods, I believe. Some little bit different, like hot cross buns, a little bit of Easter eggs, not that much to be honest, but I fit it into my calorie intake. I pretty much hit my macros, pretty much spot on. The next day we had salmon. Now, I think we're like 30 fat for salmon and like 50, 60 protein. That was ridiculous. It was yum, but that's why I have salmon. Yeah, it's healthy for you. It's healthy fat. But guys, salmon, just because it's healthy fat or avocado or cashews or almonds doesn't mean you can't gain any body fat from it. I didn't because I fit it in, but I was hungry. I decreased my fats during the day, decreased my carbs, fit that in. All right. And then I think it was Saturday night, I had a chicken Kiev. Basically 30 fat, like just right there. 30 fat just from a chicken Kiev. I enjoyed it. I won't lie, but that's why I eat the way I eat when I'm at home. The food's what I eat. I keep it simple. It's volume, a lot of food for not much calories, so I'm more full. I realized when I got back home and I eat my normal foods, I was more satisfied. So that's why I eat the way I eat. Yeah, you can eat whatever you want. That's what I love about flexible dieting. You can eat whatever you want, but you want to find, when you're cutting down, you're losing body fat, you're in deficit, you want to eat foods what fill you up. In a way, enough about that. That's what happened. Got back Sunday, went to a mate's birthday dinner. I had a chicken parma. Now, the only day out of this whole prep, 8 weeks tomorrow, I went off my diet. So I didn't and plus, by the way, that day was Subway. I had Subway pre-workout. And then post-workout, I had a parma and a little bit of chips. Thank God it was a little bit of chips. But I guess the calories, which I never really do this, but only every now and then. As long as you get back on track, the next day it should be good. By the way, the next day my weight was the exact same. It didn't go up. I was about 500, 400 calories over if I guessed it right. All right. Now that's just maintenance, right? If I'm over 500 calories for one day, that's just maintenance. I'm not in a surplus. I will not gain any body fat, but I won't lose body fat either. I'll just maintaining my weight, maintaining my body fat levels. But that was pretty good. I'm pretty proud of myself. I want to end it right here, guys, because it's gone on for a long time. I just want to quickly show you guys, this is what a brownie looks like. So a little bit gooey in the middle, a bit hard on the outside. That's perfect. Any more than that, any more than about 45 seconds, it gets all dry. Tastes good? Yummy?
Too many risks to take. Just let us see what we'll be finding. attention, girl, I know you. But you're everything I want in life. We're fighting danger like Kung Fu. The love I feel is deep inside. The others don't matter. It's honestly us against the world. We're the perfect team. You're my dream, and I just want it. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. To myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. It's my to myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. To myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself.
Hey guys, so it is 12:02 in the morning, 28th of April. Now, quick update before we head inside and cook my dinner, then bedtime. It's been 8 weeks now of cutting. Today's Saturday, I started on the Friday, so basically just over 8 weeks, day over. I'm going to do my posing update tonight, so it's morning time right now, but tomorrow basically. yeah, and just show you guys where I'm at. Macros are the same, but I might have to decrease my macros soon, as my body weight is basically maintaining for about a week and a half now, 2 weeks. So, it's a average 79.5 kilos. So I was losing a kilo every week for about 6 weeks. Now, as I said, these last 2 weeks is basically maintaining itself. Up and down, very slowly it's going down. It might be holding on some water weight, because sometimes when you're dieting down, you think you hit a plateau because your weight's not moving, right? It's not moving down. But yeah, sometimes your body just holds on to water, and then you see that big drop on the scale out of nowhere. Like, you see, I'm talking about like maybe half a kilo to a kilo, or even a little bit more sometimes out of nowhere. And that is not, like, you cannot lose about a kilo of body fat in one day. You've already lost that body fat in the past. But your body is holding on to water. So that could be it. Remember, dieting, calorie deficit is a stress on the body. When you're stressed, your body sometimes holds on to water, right? Could be a lot of things. Inflammation, water weight, a lot of things why your scale is not going down. Now, worst case, my body is probably just plateaued, right? Your metabolism slowly goes down over time when you diet down, and it adapts. So that's what you plateau. Now, I'll wait a few more days and see if it goes down. If I don't get that whoosh effect, like bam, kilo lost, then, well, about a kilo in a way, half a kilo, whatever. If I don't, my lowest body weight was 79.3 about a week ago. Just over a week, I think. But yeah, today's 79.6. But on average, 79.5. Macros are 250 carbs, 220 protein, 60 fat. My next adjustment to lose body fat again, break through that plateau, I might go about 220 protein, 220 carb, 30 grams less, and about probably 50 fat. Around there. Did not make big jumps. Yeah, I decreased 600 calories at the start, but it doesn't mean every time you plateau, you need to decrease another 600 calories. I find that all you need to decrease is about 100 to 200 calories, 250 at most. That's it. That's it. And then boom, you're gonna start losing weight again. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm hungry. I'm gonna go inside, and yeah, I just want to let you guys know what's up. So hope you guys like that leg workout video I recorded. Tomorrow I might do not a full push workout, but every exercise on my last set. What I do for chest, shoulders, tries. And I want to try to do it for back and biceps too. Now, this 3 days on my strength workout, so I'm hitting about 8 reps, 6 reps, 8 reps. Day off, then I do my high rep workout. Anyway, keep watching, and I'll see you in the next vid.